The warm touch of winter massage. Winter brings cold weather. It can make your baby's skin dry. Baby massage is great for their skin. It also helps you bond with your baby. Touch is important for babies. It helps them feel safe and loved. Gather your supplies. Creating a cozy massage station. You will need a few things for your massage. Get a soft blanket. Find a warm room. Choose a natural oil. Good choices are coconut oil or almond oil. Make sure the oil is safe for babies. To create a truly cozy massage station, consider the ambiance. Soft lighting can make the environment more relaxing for your baby. Playing some calming music in the background can also help to soothe your little one. Adding a few toys to the massage area can keep your baby entertained and make the experience more enjoyable for them. Remember, the goal is to create a bonding experience. Take your time and be gentle. Your baby will appreciate the care and attention. When applying the oil, use gentle circular motions. This not only helps to relax your baby, but also promotes better circulation. Develop a routine that works for both you and your baby. Consistency can make the massage more effective and enjoyable over time. After the massage, your baby may feel more relaxed and ready for a nap. A cozy massage station can make a big difference in your baby's comfort and well-being. Step-by-step guide. A loving touch for tiny tummies and toes. This gentle massage routine is designed to soothe and comfort your little one, promoting relaxation and bonding. First, warm the oil in your hands. Rub your hands together to evenly distribute the oil and ensure it's at a comfortable temperature. Your hands should be warm, not hot. Test the warmth on the inside of your wrist to make sure it's just right for your baby's delicate skin. Next, start with your baby's chest. Use gentle circular motions. This helps to relax their muscles and can aid in digestion. Then, move to their arms and legs. Gently massage each limb, using smooth, flowing strokes to promote circulation and relaxation. Gently stroke from top to bottom. This motion can help to calm your baby and make them feel secure. Finally, massage their feet and hands. These areas are often overlooked but can be very soothing for your baby. Pay attention to each tiny finger and toe. Massaging these small areas can help to improve your baby's motor skills and provide a sense of comfort and security. Remember, the key is to be gentle and attentive, making this a special bonding time for both you and your baby. Finding the perfect moment. When baby is most receptive. Understanding your baby's mood and needs is crucial for a successful massage. The best time to massage your baby is when they are calm and alert. This ensures they are comfortable and can enjoy the experience. After a bath is a good time. The warm water relaxes their muscles, making them more receptive to touch. Before bedtime can help them sleep. A gentle massage can be part of a soothing bedtime routine, helping them wind down and prepare for a restful night. Always watch your baby's cues. Pay attention to their facial expressions and body language to understand how they are feeling. If they cry, it's okay to stop. Your baby's comfort is the most important thing. If they seem distressed, take a break and try again later. Creating a serene sanctuary. Setting the stage for relaxation. Make the room warm and quiet. Dim the lights. You can play soft music. Make eye contact with your baby. Talk or sing to them softly. This will make massage time even more special.